In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to launch Coming Soon page Shopify store by using Klaviyo. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the left side menu, go to Online Store, then select Preferences. This is where you can control how customers access your storefront before you are ready to launch. Now scroll down until you find the Password Protection section. Turn on the option to limit access to visitors with the password, then click Save. This locks down the store so people cannot browse products yet. It also helps you avoid sending paid traffic to a store that is still being prepared. Make sure you save because changes here do not apply until they are saved. Next, open your Klaviyo dashboard in a separate tab. Keeping Shopify and Klaviyo open at the same time makes it easier to move back and forth as you set things up. Inside Klaviyo, click the Sign Up Forms tab, then click Create Form. You are going to build a full-page sign-up form that acts like a Coming Soon landing page. This is important because it lets you collect email addresses and build your audience before launch. When the template gallery opens, use the full page filter. This narrows the options to forms designed to fill the entire screen, which is ideal for a Coming Soon experience. Choose a template that matches a Coming Soon layout, then open it in the editor. Customize the main headline so it clearly communicates what is happening. A good example is "Something big is coming." Then add a simple incentive to encourage signups, such as "Get early access" or a launch day discount. Keep the message short, benefit-focused, and easy to read. If you adjust colors or fonts, stay consistent with your brand so the page feels intentional and professional. When you are happy with the design, click Publish in the top right corner to make the form live. Publishing is what actually activates the form so visitors can see it. Finally, switch the flow status to live. This ensures new subscribers receive their confirmation immediately, which improves trust and keeps people engaged while they wait for your store to open. And that covers everything you need to know.